Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a Four Stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper on Wednesday, January the 31st, 2024. Yes, it's today war day number 707. 707 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. We have here in this newspaper 3 regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved, so 2 puzzles remain, the 4 stars and the binary puzzle. In this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, but let me continue with this one, the regular puzzle, 4 stars. Well, it's not quite a 4 stars puzzle. Anyway, this one will be number 7907. This one has 26 printed digits, just like the previous one. So, should be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, yeah, 15 to 20 minutes. But it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. All right, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Okay, let me see which number can I pick. How about 1 in this column, last column, 1 in that column, so the column between. Don't need to place level 1, should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 9. Come on. Need a 1 here, need a 1 there. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, only to place level 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, only 3 place level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 in that row, no 6 there. So the only place level 6 should be there. All right, and now 6. Okay, 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 place level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place level 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 place level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 in the third row, no 6 there. So the only place level 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 6. All right. 5. Need a 5 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in this row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 place level 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then let me see, need a 7 here, and I need a 2 here. Okay, come on, 2, 8, 7, no. Need a 2 here. Okay. Then let me see, need a 4 here. 4, so need a 4 here. Come on. 3, need a 3 here. Well, this one, 1, need a 1 here, need a 1 there. Let me put some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in the first column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in this row, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 place level 1 could be here, could be there. These 3, 7, and the 4. 3, 7, and 4. One of the missing number in this row is number 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3, 3, 3. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 2 place level 7 could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this one, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 5, 6. Come on, come on, come on. This is taking too long. 3, 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 1. Come on, 1 here. Ay. 1, 5. I need a 5 in these 3 boxes. Need a 9 here. 9 in this row. 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 place level 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in the middle column. No 9 there. 9 could be here, could be there. Come on, come on, come on. 7 need a 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here, 4 in this row, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in this column. Oh well, need a 4 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 1 need a 3, need a 7, need a well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. Yeah, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here, 9 in the last column, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box there for 9 in this big square should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So that column, the only 3 place left for 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 could be here, could be there. 9, 9, 9, 9. Need a 9 here. Okay, and now, one of the missing number in this, 3 in this column, 3 in the last column. So column between, only place level 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there, so 2 numbers left. In this big square, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. We have a pair, 4 and a 7 in this column, 4 and a 7 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there, so 2 numbers left in the middle column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and the 8. Almost finished. More. Here I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 in this one, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4. Alright, here we have 2 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and 8, I believe. Okay, 4 and 8 cannot fill this yet. How about here? 1, 2, need a 3 here. Need a 8 here. I need a 7. Yeah, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box there for the 7 in this big square should be there. So the 8 and the 3 are missing here. 8 and 3, 8 and 3. 2 numbers left in this row. Third row, 4 numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. Let me see. How about here? Need a 9, need a 8, and I need a, oh well, I cannot play 8, 9, and 1. No, 1, 2. Need a 2 here. 2, 2, 2. 1, 1, 1. 4, 8, 4, 8, 1, 3. Need a 7 here. No 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Come on, come on, come on. This is taking too long. 9, 9, 9. Do we have all the 9s? No, need a 9 here. 9, 9. Here, 9 there, 9. 9, 9. Okay. Need a 4, need a 2. Need a 8. 2, 8, and 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be here. 2 and 8. Okay, our left. That means this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8. So 2 numbers left, a 9 and a 2. Well, this box can be 2. We have a 2 in one of those boxes. In the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left. In this big square one was the 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see. Need a 9 here. Well, we have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 1 goes there. 9. I've marked those two boxes with the 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in last row. So the row between only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in first column, 1 in the first column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Mark those two boxes early with the 1. We have 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. All right. And now, let me see. 2 and 8. 2. Here, 4, 8, 3, and the 7. Need a 7 here. 8, 3, and the 8, 3, and a 2. Need a 2 here. Yeah, 2 in this column, 2 in the third column. So the column 3 now only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left. The 2 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. Here we have a 2. Here we have a 2. That means in this column we need a 2. So that box should be a 2. Alright. So 2 numbers left. For numbers 4 and the 8, I believe. Yeah, 4 and 8. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7 is missing. 5 and 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 8 and a 4. Well, cannot fill this yet. How about here? 4 and 8. No. Still cannot fill this yet. 5 and 8. Come on, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 8 goes there. 8 and a 4. We have a 8 there. So this box should be a 4. That box should be an 8. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. Alright. 4 and an 8. We have a 8 in the first column. So this box should be a 4. That box should be an 8. Okay. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. Then 3 and 8. Need to wait. 2 and 8. We have an 8 in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 goes there. 2. I've marked those two boxes earlier. 2. We have a 2 in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in the middle row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row above. The only 2 places left for the 7 goes together with the 3 as a pair. Alright, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8. We have 8 now in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in the third column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 7 in this column. Third column. 7 in the second column. So the first column only place level the 7 should be there. And the last 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the second column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 4 stars. No. 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm real pleased with the time, and I like this one, so we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again later on with the last puzzle, regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.